Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we will discuss about fractions. What is fraction? That is introduction of fraction and how to represent the fraction on the number line. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Then let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will discuss about introduction of fraction and fraction on the number line. Now introduction of fraction. What is fraction? Suppose take a pizza and there are four friends and the pizza is divided with four friends in four equal parts. First friend, the first part, second part, third and fourth. Four friends will get how how many fraction of this whole pizza. Suppose we take the pizza is a whole, that is 1. This whole pizza is 1. Whole is represented with number 1 and the first friend will get 1 divided by 4. That is there are 4 that is 4 friends are there, so you have to divide the whole pizza with 4 friends. That is first friend will get 1 divided by 4, that is 1 by 4, and second friend will also get 1 divided by 4, and third friend also will get 1 divided by 4, and fourth friend also get 1 divided by 4. 4 friends will get each, that is 1 divided by 4. Each will get 1 divided by 4, that is the 1 divided by 4 fraction of the whole pizza, that is 1. Suppose let's say take an example of slice. This is slice of bread, and suppose there are two friends and there are 5 slice of breads. Then each friend will get how much? So there are 5, so these two friends, we have to divide this 5 with 2 friends. 5, there are 5 slice of bread, so we have, and there are 2 friends, so we have to divide the slice of bread with 2 friends. That is 5 division of 2, that is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 1. So each friend, that is one friend, will get 2 of half, that is one friend will get this much and second friend also get this much, two slice, and the last slice will be divided into two friends with two equal parts, that is 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2, and this is also 1 divided by 2. I think this is good. So each friend will get 2 half, that is first friend will get 2 slice, then second friend also will get 2 slice, and the third and the last slice, that is 1 slice left. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5, so the 2 friend will get 2 each of 2 slice. Then last slice, that is last slice, that is 1, that is divided with 2 friends in 2 equal parts, that is 1 divided by 2. each friend will get 1 divided by 2, that is half of that slice. Last slice is 1, so each friend will get half slice of that bread, slice of bread. So here two friends will get, each friend will get 2 half slice of bread. Now what is fraction? From this example, we conclude that the fraction is a part of a whole. That is whole part, that is pizza or any objects you can take. That is if you take the circles shape or rectangle shape or pentagon shape, each part of a whole. That is how many parts should be taken out from that whole. So 3 divided by 8, here 3 divided by 8 is a fraction. Here 3 parts taken out from the 8, 3 equal parts can be taken out from the total of 8 parts, and we can read it as 3 divided by 8 is 3/8. This 8 is in denominator and 3 is in numerator, and 8 is 3 of 8, 3/8. So fraction is the number of equal parts taken out divided by number of equal parts into whole that has been divided. So fraction is numerator, the top number is called numerator and bottom number is called denominator. So fraction is number of equal parts taken out divided by the total number of parts, total number of equal parts into that whole that has been divided. So fraction is numerator divided by denominator, and top number is called numerator and bottom number is called denominator. Now let's take an example of that fraction. Take an example of fraction. Name the numerator of the fraction 3 divided by 7. Here numerator, in the last slide we see that the numerator is the top number and the denominator is the bottom number. So here numerator in the fraction 3 divided by 7 is 3. So numerator in 3 divided by 7 is 3, and denominator in the fraction 3 divided by 7 is 7. Second example. What is the denominator of 4 divided by 15? Top number is called numerator and bottom number is called denominator. So here denominator in the fraction 4 divided by 15 is 15. Now how to represent the fraction on the number line? How to represent 1 divided by 2 on number line? This is the number line. This is the line drawn. This point is 0 and this point is 1. And 1 divided by 2. From 0 to 1, we have to divide this line into 2 equal parts. That is, middle part will be represented with the fraction 1 divided by 2. If we divide this line into 2 equal parts, that is 0 divided by 2, which is equal to 0, and 1 is 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. 0 divided by 2, then middle one is 1 divided by 2, then next is 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. So this is the representation of the fraction 1 divided by 2 on the number line. Now how to represent the fraction 3 divided by 7 on the number line. This line is drawn and this point is 0 and the last point. So here 3 divided by 7. So we have to divide the line into 7 equal parts. Its denominator is 7. What is the denominator? That the number we should divide the line. So here 0 divided by 7, which is equal to 0. Then 1 divided by 7, 2 divided by 7, 3 divided by 7, 4 divided by 7, 5 divided by 7, 6 divided by 7, and the last one is 7 divided by 7, which is equal to 1. If we have to represent the number 3 divided by 11 or 5 divided by 11, then how to represent the fraction 5 divided by 11 on the number line? We should first draw the number line, then divide this line into 11 equal parts. As the denominator is 11, then we have to divide into 11 equal parts. That is 0 divided by 7, which is equal to 0. Then 1 divided by 11, 0 divided by 11, 1 divided by 11, 2 divided by 11, then this one 3 divided by 11, 4 divided by 11, 5 divided by 11, 6 divided by 11, 7 divided by 11, 8 divided by 11, 9 divided by 11, 10 divided by 11, and this one is 11 divided by 11, which is equal to 1. 11 divided by 11 is 1. And 5 divided by 11, this is the fraction 5 divided by 11. I think now you got it, how to represent the fraction on the number line. If you have any query, then please write in the comment section and I will reply. Then your homework, I am giving you one homework, that how to represent the number, how to represent the fraction. Three divided by 9. How to represent this fraction 3 divided by 9 on the number line. This is your homework. Yeah, I am also giving you the homework. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply.